It's super early. It's like 7 something. Babe. Babe, where you going with all them toys? You got 3? You got 2 toys in your mouth, honey buns. Girl. Bro, she's funny. What? Hey, come on. Eat your food. Sometimes she could be really bratty. So watch this. I have to put some stuff in her food. So I put these little coconut pieces. Oh, today is one of them days she want to give me a hard time. Ain't that right, babe? Coconut little. She get on my nerves. My mom be like, babe, it's not eating. I just put a little oil in her food. She ate it. Little bratty self. That's a brat. Y'all see in the video, she caught an attitude with me because I told her to stop licking me. All right, we ready to go on our walk. I don't walk them together because one is overprotective of the other. The other one slows one down, so I walk them separately, and it works out for all of us.
This video, if you find the information helpful, rolling, rubbing, or how many days does the practitioner, meaning you, have to notify the department in
Think of, wake up, it's okay. Gotcha, okay. And what's your age? Yep, the rental's already set up right now. You're welcome. If she has any questions, she can definitely call and I'll send her a text as well. Mm-hmm. You too. Bye-bye. I can't stop yawning. But y'all tried to take a nap with the girls and I felt it getting too deep. A nap was needed. Then I was using Babe as a pillow. Why this girl gonna try to move away from me? Do y'all know I grabbed her by her whole jelly roll in the back? I said, where you going? She's comfortable. Oh, today was a long day. We went in the office. We didn't have to be there because of FIFA. I know she's away from her dad. I'm gonna take a nap after work. I don't even be taking naps. That last customer was testing me. Come on, 6 o'clock. Come on, 6 o'clock. We almost there. It's 5:01 right now. I feel like I'm gonna wait till Bossy start crying and then I'm gonna go. That's my look. What is it, a gigapad or a chia pad? Whatever they call it. Like she whines when she hungry, when she wants to play. She just whines. She let you know when she want to do a little something. Fortunately, I don't think that we're going walking today. And they actually like walking. They just hate that. A baby trying to turn back around. She be like, hey, that's enough. But it's 93 degrees outside. And it's not going to be 90, like in the 80s until 8 p.m., like 88 degrees. And I still feel like that's just a little hot. So we just going to skip the walking today to give me time to like decompress after work and stuff. And yeah, they'll understand. I'm looking a little crazy. And I don't even think I'm about to get myself together because I really want to nap really good when I get off. So probably nap, start on another video. This is a sign saying just lay down, get your rest, don't overwork yourself, because I don't even know why I'm yawning like this. I slept good, got a good amount of hours of sleep, and I don't know what's going on. But school is starting back up too, and I know for a fact that it seems like when school's around, I don't have kids, those are my kids. But we get up early and we be up with the school kids, and I like it because it be dark outside a little bit when the time do change, and the police be out there in the area that we walk in because it's buses over there. So I actually love it better. I just don't like that around this season spiders and bugs start coming out. No. Who decided to be up under me? Lord knows she be wanting and needing her space. I'm so excited about this. She's actually cuddling with me. I'm glad my fat girl right here. And she's so warm and cozy like a little bear. She looks like a little bear too.